Welcome to the most unprecedented gathering in American history. Picture this: every U.S. president, from George Washington to Joe Biden, sitting in one room, passing around Lincoln, is trying to keep everyone calm while Trump keeps insisting he knows a guy who grows the best stuff. Absolutely tremendous. Let's see how this plays out.
Washington takes the first hit and immediately starts coughing. I cannot tell a lie. This is stronger than I expected. Jefferson laughs and says, "Told you, George. I've been experimenting with cultivation for years. This is the pursuit of happiness I was writing about." Teddy Roosevelt jumps up shouting, "Bully! I once wrestled a bear on this stuff." Taft mutters from his chair, "I'm just hoping this helps me fit through doorways better." Roosevelt shoots back, "At least you're not stuck in a bathtub right now, William."
Lincoln, ever the mediator, tries to bring order. "Gentlemen, 7 minutes ago we agreed this would be a civil gathering. Let's keep it together." But Nixon is paranoid in the corner, muttering, "Are we being recorded? I'm not a crook, but this feels illegal." Kennedy smoothly interjects, "Relax, Dick. Ask not what your cannabis can do for you, but what you can do for your cannabis." Nixon squints at him suspiciously. "Easy for you to say. You always look good on camera."
Obama takes a smooth inhale and says with perfect timing, "Let me be clear. I did inhale. That was the point." Trump immediately interrupts. "I would have inhaled better. Nobody inhales like me." Biden chuckles and whispers, "Come on, man. That's malarkey." Trump fires back. Sleepy Joe wouldn't know a good inhale if it hit him. Obama raises his hand calmly. "Gentlemen, let's keep this chill. That's literally the whole point of this."
Reagan suddenly perks up with a confused smile. "Well, I don't recall agreeing to this, but Nancy always said just say no, so I'm saying yes." Carter is in the corner, building an elaborate bong out of peanut shells and spare wood. Clinton leans back and admits, "I'm definitely inhaling this time, folks. No technicalities here." The room erupts in laughter.
The Founding Fathers huddle together, comparing notes. Adams complains that Jefferson always has to one-up everyone. Madison is scribbling constitutional amendments about cannabis rights. Hamilton is rapping about the experience while Burr glares at him from across the room. Hamilton notices and smirks. "What's wrong, Aaron? You look like you want to take your shot." Burr deadpans, "Don't tempt me." Washington steps between them. "Gentlemen, not again. We're not doing this today."
As the session winds down, Lincoln stands up for a final thought. In the end, whether you're a Federalist or anti-Federalist, Republican or Democrat, what matters is that we're all here together, slightly elevated, and somehow getting along better than Congress ever has. Washington nods approvingly. "Gentlemen, this has been the most unified I've seen the executive branch in centuries. Same time next week."